Hey guys. So I just got a great question the other day about the new and full moon crystal roller bottles. And I wanted to kind of demystify how you use them when it's not the new or full moon. Because obviously, here's the ones I'm sending off today. Obviously, you get these gorgeous rollers and you want to get to use them more than twice a month, more than one time a month each, right? So how do you use them when it's not the new moon or when it's not the full moon? Those of you who already shop with ivy+light, you know that whenever I send you crystals, you get these little info cards, right? And it gives you information about the crystals that are in each one, and then an affirmation that you can use. So for let's take the full moon. I release whatever it is that you're releasing, which no longer serves me. I choose to create a life full of, and fill in the blank. And the way that you would get that affirmation, obviously on the spot, you can make it up. It's also the affirmation at the end of the full moon releasing ceremony. So if you've purchased our full moon and new moon ceremonies on the website and you've gone through those with me, right? They're all recordings, so you can do them on your own time. If you've gone through those at the end, you will easily know how to make these affirmations, but you can also just do this on your own. So I release blank, which no longer serves me. I choose to create a life full of blank, right? So you're going to fill those in. And then on the back, we have process of making the rollers, ingredients. So that's the essential oils part, and then use instructions. So apply to temples and palms and breathe in deeply during your releasing ceremony, so your full moon ceremony, or while repeating this affirmation. So the energy of the new moon is intention setting, right? And starting a new project, starting a new goal, turning over a fresh leaf. The energy of the full moon is releasing, letting go, appreciating what has come to fullness, and letting go things that are going to hold you back from achieving more in your life. So those times happen throughout our life, not just at the new and full moon. We can just use that energy to enhance those ceremonies. So anytime you're setting intentions, that could be daily, weekly, monthly. Anytime you're wanting to get clear and focused on a new goal so that you can move forward, again, that's that same new moon energy. That roller's going to work great for that. And then full moon, anytime you need to get grounded, you need to let go of the things that are kind of crowding into your mind and kind of dragging you down and stopping you from moving forward, that's going to be that full moon roller. There's not, a limit to the number of times you can use them per month, but they are intended for those energies of intention setting and releasing. And it's most powerful to do those ceremonies at the new and full moon. So I'll use my own for this so I don't open the fresh rollers. But the other question was just about, applying them. Do you apply them like you would perfume to your pulse points, the nape of the neck, or is there a different way to do that? All right, so you have your roller, right? And you want to use it. You can apply it to your third eye, your temples. Don't get it in your eyes. The essential oils are already diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so you don't have to worry about, you're not putting just straight essential oils on your skin with this. And coconut oil is good for your skin. So I will put it on my third eye or my temples, and then I will roll it into my palm, which since I'm holding the camera, I can't show you, but just roll a little bit onto your palm, and then you rub your palms together and cup them over your nose and mouth. Imagine my other hand is here. Just breathing in as you're doing your meditation or as you're doing your ceremony or as you're repeating the affirmation. So, and then our new moon affirmation, I will manifest this goal through this action with this energy. And you're just going to say that over and over again, filling it in with your goal, your action, and your energy, as it says here. So if you want to understand fully how to use these for the ceremonies, you're going to want to get the new and full moon ceremonies that come as a bundle, or you can buy them individually on the website. And if you just want to use these for your own, like anytime you're setting a new intention, anytime you're doing a releasing, you absolutely can. So I hope that answers some questions about the new and full moon roller bottles. You guys let me know any other questions you have in the comments below. And if there's anything um, that you have been wondering about, natural healing, meditation, crystals, affirmations, essential oils, and you want me to do a video on it, leave that in the comments. And if there's anything in the shop that you're wondering more about how to use, of course, I'm always happy to explain that as well. You guys let me know below what you want to learn, and I'll see you later. Bye.